student at Polytechnic of Banjarmasin, my majoring informatic engineering. Now, I will give a simple tutorial about how to install Windows or Linux on a virtual machine. Previously, what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine was originally defined by Krupek and Goldberg as an efficient, isolate duplicate of a real computer machine. First, open the virtual machine application, double-click to open. The display appears as shown, click New. Set the type of operating system and the version to be installed. We will install Windows by selecting Microsoft Windows type. For the version, we choose Windows Server 64-bit, then click Next. Determine the amount of memory that we will use according to the capacity on our computer. Click Quit. Choose VDI, Virtual Disk Image, Next. Choose Dynamic Allocated, Next. Then determine the file location and size to match the storage on our computer. Choose Start green arrow symbol. Select the Windows operating system. Adjust the type of operating system we will install. Click Start. Then we enter in the process of setting time and language setting. Select in English and further adjust to the surrounding time zone. Click Install Now. Choose whether to install Windows 7 64-bit or 86-bit. After that, click Next. Then, we check in the sentence section, I accept the license terms, click Next. Click Custom Advanced for the type of installation. At this time, we go to enter the partition setting, separating between operating system file and our file, or can be saved as the distribution of storage on the hard drive into 2 or 3 parts. Click New, adjust to the hard disk capacity. Click Apply. Just make it into 2 partitions, C and B. Select the primary part and click Format. Then click Next. Click OK. Then we go to the Windows installation process. We wait a while until the process is complete and the operating system can be run as needed.